would like to give my thanks to Mr. Muslim Yadav, who has just given me an opportunity to speak among you. Dear friends, we are coming here with a vision, and I want to give you thanks also that you are just giving me an opportunity that I can give my view in front of you. First of all, I want to tell you that we are here with some mission. We are also organizing a company where we are just doing the work, and we are just finding that there are a lot of things which are just happening in our society which is not quite good. In our city, we are finding that there is so many organizations going on, there is so many institutions going on, and there are lakhs of people who are going to take the knowledge. I am telling you friends, that at present time, every one of us are suffering with some problem. Even any organization, I am talking about the 100% organization, I am not saying that any organization is good as per the regardless of this. Everyone are just going to generate the product which is not quite good. At present time, we are finding that whenever we are going to make our showcase in front of any company and we are going to say that we are from the Purvanchal University, we are from the Jaunpur, then people are pointing a finger on us. They are suspect on us, either we have the great quality or not. So dear friends, in this time we are just determined to aware the students of Jaunpur people, and for that we are coming here with a mission that is about the student aware mission, and that is particularly we have just gone for the welfare of the students of Jaunpur city. At present time we are finding that there are so many of us, we are just doing so many different type of courses, but not a single of us are able to take the advantage of it. What is the basic reason? Why we are not going to think that, why we are not able to just get the success? Why we are not going to think like that whatever the thing we are doing, how far we are capable to do the thing in good way? At present time we are finding that we are all just go for the degree. We invest our 1 year only for 3 hours. And if I am asking to you that we are all have completed our intern and right now we are doing BSc. What the special quality we have in ourselves, due to that we are finding that the coming 2 or 3 years we will capable to get the job. Dear friends, our parents have a lot of expectations towards us, and after that we are all not belonging to a very big family. Some of us are from very poor family and we are all just taking the education over here. If I am asking to you that what is the value of this education, what we are taking right now? Are you getting anything like that? On the basis of that you are thinking that you will capable to make up your career in good way? Are you getting anything like that where you can make your future secure? I know the answer is no. Because whatever the education we are going to take, that is good for the degree but not good for the job. I want to tell you that any organization wherever we go, that is not dependable on the degree. Every one of them are just going to take us on the basis of the quality. Whatever the quality we have, on the basis of that the company was going to select us. If we have the great quality, then they are just going to offer us the good job, and if we don't have the quality, then they are not going to offer the job. The main thing is that if we are talking about the private sector, especially in private sector, we are finding that if we don't have the result oriented quality, if we don't have the proper good quality among us, that we can maintain the quality of the company, we are not capable to just get the job. So here I want to tell you that aware yourself. Just think for that what you are and where you want to go. Just ask to yourself what you want by yourself, and then you are finding that the answer is always be a contradictory what you are doing right now. Here I am telling you that don't make your dream as per the concern of other people. Normally it has been just happening in our society, especially in the society of Jaunpur city, when we are taking the education and when we are seeing that and someone else who is our friend, who is our neighbor, if we do something, then we are also interested to do the same thing. We never going to see in ourselves that what we are and what the speciality we need to make up our future. For seeing the others, we are not able to frame our career. So here I want to tell you that if you wish to get the success, for that first of all, you need to change your thinking. If you are going to change your thinking, you will be able to just do the work in quite good way. The second thing I want to tell you that whatever the criteria we are finding in our Jaunpur city, especially in the professional courses is the one of the important course for all of us, because the professional course provides us the better opportunity for doing the job. Why we are taking the professional courses? We are all have the degree. Today we are finding that people are seeing us with a suspect that if we say to someone, you are doing BSc, you are not able to do anything, you are doing MSc, you are not able to do anything. We doesn't mean to say that on the basis of the BSc and MSc you are nothing. We mean to say that with the help of the BSc and MSc, what is the BSc and MSc course? If we are going to analyze about that, that is only a base. Whatever the academic knowledge we are taking, that is only a base. Rest of the thing we have to develop by ourselves. If I am asking to you that whatever the knowledge you have gathered, that is yours, then what would be your answer? You are saying that is from some scientist, that is from some lecturer, those who have written the things, and after that we are going to learn the thing. That is good for our awareness. But if you say that you want to do the job, if you say that you have the ability that you can just promote yourself in a company, for that it's very important, you need to develop something by your side. You need to just make up yourself very creative. And that would be the basic problem. We are not going to create anything. And I am telling you that if you are not capable to create anything, then how you are capable to get the job? The same BSc knowledge, the same MSc knowledge, the same BTech knowledge, and the same MBA knowledge, every one of us are going to take. Everyone has the same syllabus. They are all going to take the same knowledge. So why the company select you? We need to just trace all these type of factors what I am telling you. My intention is not to demoralize you. I want to tell you that please think for every factor. You are doing the course, and I am quite confident about that. All of you who are doing the course, you are all don't have any type of program in your life. And I am telling you that if you don't have the plan in your life, you are not capable to do anything. Even you are going for somewhere, I am giving you a very small example that if you have to go Varanasi, then first of all, you just make the plan for it. Either you go by bus or you go by train. We need a plan. In the same way, wherever we have to just make our career. Career is also a journey. And when we have to go through a particular destination, then we need to make the plan. And this is my question to all of you, that what plan you have towards your career? What the thing you have in your side that you are thinking that you are capable to make your career? At present time we are saying that we have a lot of degree, we are wasting our time, we are just taking a lot of knowledge, but we are not able to get the success. If I am asking to you that, do you have any plan that you can justify towards your career? I know very well none of you are capable to give the answer of it. Everyone are taking the education. Why you are taking the education? For taking the degree? The degree doesn't make the difference. If on the basis of the degree person are capable to get the job, then at present time we are finding clear that every student, those who are doing BTech, those who are doing MBA, those who are doing MSc, they are all getting the job. But the reality is that after completion of the degree, after getting the degree, students don't know what they do next. And they are compelled to change their trade. They are compelled to compromise toward their career. They are compelled to do the work what they don't want to do. So for this future, if you are taking this type of study, I just thought that this would be one of the best thing what you are doing right now. In this our Jaunpur Aware mission, what we have just keep in our mind to provide the best quality among the students, to aware the people of Jaunpur that those teachers who are going to teach them, either they have the ability to train the students or not. Those colleges and institutions where they are going, is they are capable to provide them the right scenario of future or not. And after that, a student should determine that what they have to do and where they have to go. At present time, we are all just going to follow the orthodox type of study. We are going to follow the orthodox type of system. If you are going to compare yourself with the people of Delhi and Mumbai, you are finding that you are 30 or 40 years backward from the present time of Iraq. And after that, dear friend, you are just expect that after taking this type of education from this backward area, you are capable to get the best job. How could it possible? This would never possible. Are you going to do job in Jaunpur city? If someone is going to speak in English, if someone is going to speak something in a professional manner, then we are just making the fun of it. We are just cutting the joke on him. Is that right way? That is good from the Jaunpur city. What about the scenario of the outside? When you go to Delhi and Mumbai, what do you do there? You are also making a fun. I am sorry to say that today you just feel a lot of enjoyment to making the fun of the people. But remember one thing, when you have to go to Delhi and Mumbai, the people are making a fun of yours. You are not capable to just speak in front of them. So for this reason, I am telling you this would be the golden opportunity for you that in a campus of Jaunpur city, I am telling you that in a campus of Ideal Technology Networking College, we are just planning to aware the people of Jaunpur city, to aware the students of Jaunpur city that they can just select their path in good way, that they can just select their career in good way, and that they can just analysis themselves in good way. Dear friends, I am telling you that there no charge you have to give. Our plan is not for that we want admission. Our plan to aware the people. When you are aware, then you are capable to just justify yourself in good way. Otherwise, there is a lot of fraud is wandering on the road. They are cheated by you, or they are cheating by you. That would be one of the biggest problems. They are cheated by you. I was just saying this word because if you are not going to be a conscious, then they are not saying that the student make the cheating. They are not going to say that I am making the cheating. They are all says that the student make the cheating, and they simply claim on you that you haven't done the hard work, that you are not able to get the good marks. They simply told you, say to you that you haven't scored a good marks, that's why you are not able to get the job. These are the things, these are the criteria they just make up, and they just escape themselves in good way, and we are all just getting stuck. So this is the time why we are just bearing all these things. I am telling you that you are giving the money, you are giving your time, you are giving your mind, you are utilizing your all the abilities for getting the success. But you are not going to utilize it in the right way. But you are not going to utilize it in a good way, where you are capable to get the success. This is my appeal to all of you. One time, only one time, I want only your 8 hours of your life. Only 4 days classes you have to take there, and only 2 hours you have to go in a day. You have to give in a day. So I am telling you that only 4 days you have to give, only 8 hours you have to give. I am quite sure about that. After going there, you will be capable to get a lot of knowledge. Dear friends, we all have the zeal to get something, but we don't know how. We all want to be something, but we don't know how. We all want to achieve the great target, but we don't know how. So here I am telling you that for all these questions, if you wish to secure your future, if you wish to make your future, and if you wish to go to the right track, for that's very important, you have to come over there, you have to take part in that seminar, and on the basis of that seminar, you will definitely be able to promote all the abilities in yourself. Due to that, you are capable to go anywhere. The very first thing what we need to develop in ourselves, you know what is that? The very first thing what we need to develop in ourselves, do you know what is that? That is about the communication. We are the seller dear. We are going to sell our qualities. We are giving the services to the company, and then company is going to provide us the job. We are the sellers. And you know very well, a seller are capable to get the success in the market when his product is good, or he is capable to present his product in good way. Suppose that we have the diamond and we don't know what is the value of the diamond and how we are going to sell it. Tell me. If we don't know the value of the diamond, then diamond is what? It's a piece of stone, nothing else. And if we know the value of it, then we can just project it in best way. And we know very well if we present anything in best way, then it just gets its value in very nice manner. So that would be the thing what we need to develop in ourselves. That would be the thing what we have to think, that there is a lot of diamond in ourselves. We need to just present it. If we are capable to just present our diamond in good way, I am telling you that all of you are capable to just get the best job. Nothing is like that where you have to get stuck. Nothing is like that where your dream is fake. Nothing is like that where your dream is not completed. The problem with us, we are not going for the dream, that is why we are getting stuck. We are not planned for our future, that is why we are getting stuck. We are going to rely ourselves over the other person. My question to you is that, is other person is going to make your life? Is other person is going to promote you in your life? How it is possible? This would never possible. So dear, all of you, I want to tell you that first of all, you need to concentrate your mind. Whatever the course you are doing BSc, you are doing BA, you are doing MA, every one of you have a dream that after BA, I want to be a lecturer. After BSc, I want to be a lab assistant. Or after BSc, I want to qualify NET examination. Every one of us have a dream. But I am telling you that only on the basis of the knowledge you are capable to get the job. Suppose that you have qualified the NET examination. If you don't have the great quality to represent yourself, is any organization is going to give you a job of lecturer? Everywhere we are finding here that if we have the great ability of speaking about the matter, only that condition we are capable to just promote ourselves in best way. Now I want to focus something on BTech students. We are finding that there are so many organizations is going on in our Jaunpur city or nearby our Jaunpur city, those cities which is just comes up. They are all just going to provide the knowledge of BTech. They are going to offer the courses of the BTech. But we are finding that not a single organization of them are capable to create an engineer. Everyone are going to create the student of BTech, but no one is going to create an engineer. Here we are finding that in our Purvanchal University there are so many students, those who are going to take their education. They are not being capable to create something new in themselves. And I am telling you that engineer is famous for their technique. What the technique is? I assured you, if you go to Purvanchal University and Prasad Institute, if you are asking to the people that what is the technique, even they are not capable to tell you about that also. The newly found idea by which we made any work more easier is called the technique. So dear friend, engineer is famous for their new ideas. And if I am asking to you that in whole Purvanchal and Prasad Institute, if we are asking for the new idea, we are finding that the students are not being able to just implement any new ideas. They don't have any creativity in themselves. And on the basis of that, what they will do? They are nothing. Because company need engineers, those who have the ideas. Why any company give the responsibility of engineer to someone, those who are just have the knowledge, only a plain knowledge regarding of the things? If on the basis of that knowledge, company will provide the job to a candidate, then I am telling you that BSc is better than BTech. Knowledge doesn't make a difference. An engineer need a creativity. Why we are coming as a professional education? We are coming in professional education to give a professional glimpse. And for that I am telling you that this is the time when we have to aware ourselves. This is the time when we have to analyze ourselves that after getting this BTech degree where we go. I am quite sure about that. You are know also that on the basis of this degree you will not be able to grab anything towards your future. Because just ask to your heart what speciality you have that someone is going to select you. Ask to your heart. You are all the students of BTech. I am asking to you that. Ask to yourself that what speciality you have in yourself, on the basis of that you are going to get the job. I am not here to committing mistakes in you. I am not here to dominating you. But dear friends, I am here to aware you. If today we don't have the answer of all these questions, the reason behind is that we are not capable to make up ourselves in right way. We are not getting the way that how we can get the success. Every one of us would like the success, but we don't know what would be the way which is goes to success. And for that, this would be the one of the golden opportunity to all of you. Come to Ideal, come in Wajid Puti Raha, you will capable to get the glimpse of the success. There's nothing to be bad over there. I am telling you that if I am your teacher, if I am at the place of yours, when we getting the knowledge in freely manner, when we are getting the knowledge in free, then we have to go over there and you are not getting to lose anything, only you have to spend your 2 hours. I am telling you that you will capable to get the glimpse of the success. You are going to get that glimpse which you haven't found in these 3 or 4 years. That type of glimpse you are going to get from the Ideal Technology and Networking College. So please come over there and take the right knowledge by which no one can cheat with you. By which you are capable to frame your mind as per the need of your concern. By which you are capable to make your dream which you can fulfill. Right now, my dear friend, we are all have the dream to be an engineer, but we don't know how. We are all have the dream to getting the success, but we don't know how. We are all thinking for sitting in an AC office, but we don't know how. We are all just thinking that we will at a good place because we are the BTech students and we are the engineers, but we don't know how. For doing all these nonsense, you have to visit in Ideal Agency. You will definitely be able to promote yourself in industry. Thank you very much.